Welcome to Lagoon's Rocket. Please quickly proceed to your assigned seat and place any personal items in the storage bin located directly in front of your seat. Sit back completely against the seat and pull your safety restraint all the way down until it rests securely against you.
All the way down.
If you require any assistance, please signal a ride attendant now.
Uh-oh, why are we going up?
I thought this was just a nice sit
Please
down.
rest your head back against the headrest and hold on to the safety
We're not going to go any higher, are we?
Prepare for launch and enjoy your ride.
What does it mean by launch?
What the? Why did he say launch?
Do it.
Better not launch me.
There we go. I can feel it. There we go. Oh, I love this seat. Woo! This seat's sick. Oh, that one. Look at that. We go as high as Cannibal. Oh, the bring ups and bring downs are bigger than re-entry. Wowzers.
That's why they call it blastoff, son.
Well, why didn't I go to space?
Well, you see, to reach escape velocity from the planet Earth, one would have to reach speeds upward of hundreds of miles per hour. Actually.
Oh my god, I did it! Finally, I beat the operator!
Congratulations.
Yes! And I got it on video.
You did good. You got your hands on it.
Oh, yeah, that was
Welcome
pretty
back.
tinted, huh?
After your safety restraint has been released, please retrieve any personal items.